KGA. It's time to revise a new letter. So Archana ma'am is back with the blue book, getting ready to write. And the letter for today is letter P. Letter P. So what is the new letter that we're going to revise today? People. So let's get started. You must be ready with your letter card P from your alphabet kit, your blue book, a sharpened pencil and your eraser. Let us quickly find the page that has got letter P. And please turn your pages very carefully. We are going to take good care of our books. Isn't it, children? So, we're going to keep turning the pages. Letter H. And letter M. Letter N. That was what we did the last time. And we turn the page and what do we get? What do we get? We get letter P. And if you can see, it is on page number 20. Are you able to see clearly now? Page number 20. It has got the pictures, that is the vocabulary of letter P. And on page number 21, in the balloon, the number is 21, we will be doing the writing practice of letter P. Writing practice of letter P. But first, my dear, I hope everybody has taken out the letter P card from your alphabet kit. And again, look very carefully. We will take out the lowercase side, okay? Not the capital, but the lowercase. So, I have got letter P in print, lowercase, and lowercase p in cursive. Okay, so both of them are in lowercase. Alright children, time for the pointer. What can you see over here? This is capital cursive P and this is lowercase p in cursive. Now let us revise the vocabulary. That is the things that begin with the P sound. Okay? So let's get started. Pointer time. Are you all ready with your pointers? Let us put a pointer on the first picture. And what do you have to do? You have to repeat. Okay, you have to repeat the words at home. So listen carefully and start repeating loud. Paper popcorn. Paper paint. Paper peacock. And I had already told you children that peacock is the national bird of India. And these hands are joined in prayer. Paper prayer. Paper pot. Paper parachute. And what are these children doing? All these people are enjoying at a picnic. Paper picnic. Paper picnic. And what is here at the border? Can you tell me this fruit? Paper pineapple. Paper pineapple. Very good children. And now it is time to search for letter P in print. Lowercase letter P in print. So we have to look for letter P in these words. Okay? And we have to circle them. So I'm going to use my red color pencil, and I hope everybody is ready with their red colored pencil. So I have to look for letter P in these words. Okay, so let's go to the first picture, the first word. So I have to look for letter P. Okay, the lowercase letter peeper. The lowercase letter peeper. So can you find it in this word popcorn over here? Yes. P. So in this word popcorn, I can see one more P. I can see one more P. So I'm going to circle. So I found two P's in the word popcorn. And I will quickly go to the other word, that is paint. Paint. So I found another P over here. So now you must quickly find all the people in these words, okay? And circle the P, alright? Now let's see how to write letter P in cursive. So I begin by writing my date right on the red line, okay? So today's date is 13.7.2020. 2020. That is today's date. Look very carefully, children. How do we write letter P? Okay, so I put my pencil on the second blue line. I make a small slanting line, go up, touch the red line, come down on the straight line, touch the red line down, move up again, turn and make a tail. One more time, slanting line goes up, touch the red line, make a big number 1, come down, touch the red line, go up again and turn and a tail out. P. Now children, we might make the mistake of writing letter P like this. So I'm going to make a straight slanting line and I will come down and I will go up and I will turn. So look at this gap over here and look at this gap over here. This is not correct. Okay? So I will just make come down and move. Okay? Some of us might also make this mistake, that we might turn from here only. Okay, this is also incorrect. Alright, children? So be very careful while you write. These two are the correct way of writing letter P. Now children, how many times will we write letter P? 4 times. Till Binsi's house. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in all these boxes, I will be writing letter P. One more time. Slanting line goes up, touch the red line, make number 1, go back to the blue line, turn and tail. Go up, come down, turn and tail. P. Slanting line, touch the red line down, turn. P. Okay, so I will continue to write letter P 4 times and one below the other. I will not write here, but I will try to write in a straight line. Okay, one below the other. So can you see I have written my letter paper one below the other in a neat way. Okay, and over here next to Binsi's house, please write tomorrow's date. So today I will only complete this half page. I will write 4 times this half page, and for tomorrow, that is 14.7.2020. 2020. Okay? So this half page I will write tomorrow. I will write tomorrow. Alright, children? So please complete your half page writing, and then after doing this tomorrow, you can send the photo of the complete page to Archana ma'am. Right? You can send the photo tomorrow after completing the full page writing of letter P and the circling of lowercase letter P in print. You can send the photo of your writing tomorrow to Archana ma'am. Okay? Take care and enjoy yourself.